Good morning, everyone. Today's Tuesday. Welcome back to Building Blocks. Let's go sing your names. We don't have many weeks left. Well, we've got the whole month of June to get through. Hello, Abby. Hello, Asia. Hello, Benny, Braden, and Guion. How are you this June day? Hello, Jackson. Hello, Joven. Hello, Kenzie, Lakshliam, and Lucas. How are you today? Hello, Maxim. Hello, Michael. Hello, Mila and Selma. I hope you're doing well. I have to tell you, Mila lives next door to me, and one day I was outside and I could hear her listening to me. That was pretty fun. Hello, Aria. Hello, Aveline. Hello, Christiana, Daniel, and Jasmine. How are you today? Hello, Juliana. Hello, Liam and Mason. Hello, Nadar, Bruhin, and Sana. How are you today? Hello, Yuvraj. Hello, Alexis. Hello, Austin and William. Hello, Penelope and Edward. Hello to anyone else watching. I hope you're doing well. So I hope you remember that this is our week of still doing word families. And then next week we'll start with the yellow books. So don't go ahead of me if you want to learn how to do it and to understand. All right, so now let's do our calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you know what day it is? Yes, today is Tuesday. So let's count. 1, 2. That's not very difficult. Now again, can you think of two things on your body? I'm not going to say them for you yet. You think of something on your body that you have two of. Okay, did anyone say 2 hands? Did anyone say 2 feet? Did anyone say 2 cheeks? Did anyone say 2 arms or 2 legs? Can you think of anything else that's 2 of? 2 lips, 2 eyes, 2 eyebrows. We have lots of things on our body that are 2 of. I wonder what you said. I don't know because I don't know what you said. But in June, we celebrate Father's Day, the first day of summer starts, and at the end of June, we have Canada's birthday, Canada Day. And if we were at school, we would have had a beer and ale bash. We would have invited daddies to school that day to celebrate Father's Day. Next week, we're going to do Father's Day and make some gifts. So one thing you might do is save an empty tin can. I'll tell you that now. Okay, because daddies like things. They like things to collect. All right, so what's our exercise? 2 lunges. Here we go. So to do a lunge, we talked about that. So you put 1 foot forward, 1 foot, so the foot behind stays straight, that leg stays straight, and this foot is going to bend forward like this. And I still need to be seeing my toes. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a good stretch. Okay, now lunge with the other foot. So this foot forward, this foot stays back, bend it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's see what insect exercise we can do. Oh, this is a funny one. Can you bite like a mosquito? Is that really an exercise? Don't really bite people. Can you march like an ant? The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching one by one by one. Oh, I don't know if this is true, but it must be because it says, move backwards like a dragonfly. Can you move backwards? Whoa, I hope I don't bump into anything. I'm going to go backwards this way now. And now, can you flap like a fly? Bzzz. Flies are annoying. Should I go annoy Mr. Freer? Bzzz. Am I annoying you? Bzzz. Bzzz. You could annoy your mom or dad. Bzzz. Bzzz. because sometimes you can hear those flies. They are annoying. You have to shoot them away. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to blink like a firefly. So blink your eyes. Let's blink it 10 times really fast. That was hard to do. Today we're going to do fireflies for art and firefly stories. That's why I said that firefly exercise. So here we go. I think we're going to do our word families now. Oh, right. You're right. We do. Oh my gosh, we do need to do the temperature. Okay, here we go. So it's sunny out again. Well, that's funny. Somebody's in our backyard at school walking their doggies. Maybe you want to show a picture of the doggies, Mr. Freer, because if they're at school, they'd all go, "Look, Mrs. Freer, there's a doggie out there." Hello, doggies. So it's sunny and windy, and the temperature is 26 degrees. It's a hot day. So that's today's weather is sunny and windy. The temperature is 26 degrees above zero. So let's get our June calendar for the weather graph. One dot for each. I'm going to just put this down sideways so it doesn't drip. I've got a drippy one. All right. Now, Mr. Freer, we can do the word families. So let's take a look at your letters you need today. Oh, you know what? I think I forgot one of our, you need the letter O. I forgot to put that out. So you can put it down. They need to do this letter as well. When I was getting ready, I forgot to put that out. There we go. See this bag? This bag has all the letters. If you're at school, everybody would get their own letters in a little cup. And you would put them on your tray. Mrs. Freer has bags of every letter in the alphabet. Okay. Are you back on to do the word building now? All right. The first word is sod. Do you know what sod is? Sod. It's a roll of grass. Sometimes if your grass gets eaten by the skunks or has too many weeds, you put more sod on your yard. Sod. 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 Next word, pod. A pod, 5 little peas in the pea pod pressed. 1 grew, 2 grew, and so did all the rest. And they grew and they grew. So the pod holds the seeds, a pea pod. Next word, I'm just going to do it snip snap today because I want you to do it snip snap. Pot. Are your plants still in a pot or are they in the soil? Did you transplant them? Pot. Ending sound, pot. Next word, rot. You know what that means, don't you? When food goes bad or spoils, we say it rots. Next word, we've made this word before, cot. When we have our hospital center at school, we have a little cot for you to lay down on. Cot. Ca-ot. It's a little fold-up bed. Cot. Dot. Yesterday, we made the ladybug. In the ladybug, we put a black dot. Did you just do 1 dot or lots of dots? I did lots. I'm just going to make the word dot. Did you make your dot with an ink stamper or did you cut out black circles? Next word, dock. Ka. Who remembers when we do a ka at the end, how we do it? The C and then the K. When you go to a cottage, there often is a dock that people jump off of to go into the water. Dock. Next word, sock. I didn't wear a sock today because it's so nice and warm out. Sock. Sock. That was easy. Next word, rock. Did you paint a rock for Earth Day? I did. Rock. I made it look like the earth. Rock. Next word is rod. You need a fishing rod if you want to fish. Penny and Eddie both have a fishing rod. They got it from their aunt and uncle. Rod. Rod. Oh. Red. That's my favorite color. Red. Red. It's a beautiful color. We had to change the middle sound. Next word. Rest. Rest. Do you ever have a rest? Rest. Rest. Next word, pest. Some insects are pests. So we learned yesterday the ladybug eats the aphids. The aphid is a pest because it will wreck the plants. Pest. Okay, challenge word. Crest. We built that word before too. Crest. I said that's a kind of toothpaste or the top of a wave, the crest of the wave. Crest. So it's going to be the C. Crest. It wasn't actually too hard to do that, was it? Crest. This next one is a challenge word, stock. When you make soup, we say we need to make a stock of soup. We have to put in tomatoes, onions, carrots, celery to make a stock, and bones sometimes. So, k. Oh, there's a k. Stock. Stock. There, that didn't take us long today, did it? No. So take your letters, put your letters down, and I'm going to get ready to build word families. And let's see how you do with your word families. So the first word family we're going to look for is the ought family. That means it ends with O-N-T, ought. Nope. Nope. Yes, what does that say? You tell me. Pot. That's right. And what does this say? Rot. Good. Yeah. What does this say? You tell me. Caught. And what does this say? Dot. Are there any more ought? No. So now we're going to look for words that end in ock. O-C-K says ock. No. Oh, what does this say? Da-ock. Dock. Oh, here's another awkward. What does it say? So you just have to say the sound and then ock. Sock. Oh, there's another awkward. So what does it say? Rock. No. 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 Oh, ock. So what does this say? Stock. Stock. And our last word, our last family is E-S-T or est. So we know, no. Oh, there's an est word. So what does that say? Est. Rest. And what does, oh, here's another est word. Est. Pest. And the last one. Est. Crest. Good, so we got one, so not all our words had a word family today. So let's see what words we're going to print. So we'll do your letters first. We're going to practice printing your letters, so let's practice that. So do the short letters in between the two lines first. So E, we talked about how to do that yesterday. O is very easy, just a circle. So take your time when you're doing this. And then a C. It's nice when you have nice printing. Ra is straight line up and around. I'm really happy. Some of your moms told me that you don't even have to look at your alphabet charts anymore when you're doing your dictation, you're remembering. That's really wonderful. So the D, circle and a straight line up. K, so start down here. Remember, it's in and out like a beak. Some of you need practice with that. T, and then the P has a tail, doesn't it? So it starts here and then the circle goes in between. Does that make sense, looking at these little books? That helps me to print neatly too, you know. Okay, so let's see.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, I have to write 1, 2, 3. You're right, for your 2, 3. And I know lots of you are doing 4 words because your mums are dictating more words. And that's good, I'm glad. Okay, so the first word we're going to make is the word pot. That shouldn't be hard for you at all. Pot. You make the stalk in the pot. Make the word pot. So we just did the pa for printing, didn't we? Pa, ot. Let's make the word dot, because it's good for us to remember how to do the da versus the ba. D versus B. Da. Remember, so the circle goes first. Da. Ot. Now we're going to do an awk word. Dock. So the da again. Da. Awk. Now ka. Dock. Now before you finish, I'm just going to go over, we're working on the little insect booklet again, remember? So let me just get my chair. And today we're doing this. So what does this say? It says looking for, for, and this says fireflies. So there's our I sound, because the I is here, fireflies, looking for fireflies. So I colored mine already, but then you're going to trace over my words, and it says, this one says how. It's ha, and this sound says ow. Many. And now we're going to write the word fireflies. Fireflies. Did you know fireflies light up at night? Last summer when we were in Ottawa, there were so many fireflies. Penny and Eddie live right on the Ottawa River. And when we'd come home from the beach along the river, we would see fireflies at night, and they were sparkling. They were so pretty to see. And when I was a little girl, we used to catch fireflies and put them in our jar, and our jar would light up. So you have to count how many fireflies there are and put the answer right here. I'm not going to do it for you. I colored my fireflies, so their lights do come in the bottom. So if you're going to color it, you have to make that nice and bright like a light. And fireflies come out at night. All right, so you can turn off your video. You might want to be able to draw the pot and the dot and the dock as well. And then when you're ready, you can join me for firefly songs. Oh, and if you have a flashlight, bring a flashlight to the firefly songs and a firefly story, because we need a flashlight. If you don't have a flashlight, you can use the phone. The phones all have flashlights, because I have my phone. All right.